Hello guys, welcome to my channel all about products. We're here with more awesome products from AliExpress and Amazon. Links are in the description, so don't miss them. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell for more update. Let's get started. Enhance your home with the mesmerizing tabletop fire pit, a perfect blend of style and warmth. Its unique spiral flame creates a cozy ambiance for dinner parties, romantic evenings, or special celebrations. Crafted with premium materials and a safe, smokeless design, it's ideal for both indoor and outdoor use. Bring warmth, elegance, and real fire into your home. Experience the mesmerizing tabletop fire pit. Upgrade your space with the smart LED music ceiling light. With 16 million RGB colors, stepless brightness adjustment, and warm to cool lighting, set the perfect mood for any moment. Connect via Bluetooth to enjoy immersive music mode, where colors dance to the beat. Control with Alexa and Google Home, or use the remote for effortless customization. Elevate your home with smart lighting today. Keep your home and car spotless with the portable vacuum cleaner. Featuring 2 powerful modes and strong suction, it cleans efficiently and fast. Switch between multiple nozzles for deep cleaning in every crevice, even in the dark with its built-in LED light. Push-button design makes dust disposal effortless, and the washable filter ensures long-term use. Fast charging and always ready, clean anytime, anywhere. Meet the Pro Touchless Vacuum Dustpan, the effortless way to clean. With powerful suction and touchless operation, just sweep, and it does the rest. Always on, always ready. Perfect for professional and home use. Looking for the perfect air purifier? It's not always easy. That's why there's a smart choice for you. Clean air at the touch of a button and at the top of a screen with the V-Sync app. You can set up daily schedules, update settings on the fly, or check if you need a new filter. Whenever you need, you can even connect to smart home devices for hands-free control. But our air purifier has so much more to offer than simple convenience. The 360-degree design brings in air from all directions, while the 3 unique filters work together to move a variety of contaminants. Clean air wherever you need it most when it's time for bed. The nightlight and near-silent noise levels help you create a healthy, restful environment with comprehensive features and powerful performance. Thanks for watching. Now it's your turn. Drop your favorite in the comments below. Until next time, keep learning and keep exploring.